So now we'll discuss the anti-poverty measures which are adopted by Indian government, or we can say two poverty alleviation programs launched by government or measure taken by government to remove poverty, or strategy of government to remove poverty. To remove poverty, government has adopted two approaches: promotion of economic growth and targeted anti-poverty program. This covers achieving high economic growth rate and promotion of small scale industry, promotion of agriculture. This approach is also referred as trickle down effect, and it was assumed that the development of industry and agriculture would create employment opportunities and income which would lead to rapid economic development. So, targeted anti-poverty programs. Government has launched various poverty alleviation schemes to control poverty. First is National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, NREGA 2005. It is also called MNREGA. MNREGA means Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act or National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It was passed in September 2005. The Act provides 100 days assured employment every year to every rural household. In 200 districts, this scheme was launched. Later, the scheme was extended to 600 districts, and one-third of the proposed job would be reserved for women, and the central government will also establish National Employment Guarantee Funds. Similarly, state governments will establish State Employment Guarantee Funds for the implementation of the scheme. Under the program, if applicant is not provided employment within 15 days, he or she will be entitled to daily unemployment allowance. Means if government is unable to provide them employment within 15 days, then that employee will get unemployment allowance. Next scheme is National Food for Work program, which was launched in 2004. It was launched in 150 more backward districts of the country, and the program is open to all rural poor who are in need of wage employment and desire to do manual unskilled work. It is implemented as a 100% centrally sponsored scheme, and the food grains are provided free of cost to the states. Once the NREGA is in force, National Food for Work program will be subsumed within this program. Means it will be included in NREGA. If the state is having NREGA scheme, then Food for Work program will be included in that scheme. Next is Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. It is another scheme which was started in 1993, and the aim of the program is to create self-employment opportunities for the educated employed youth. Means if educated youth is not getting employment, that scheme will provide help to that unemployed youth person in rural area or in a small town. They will be helped to set some business or industry. Next scheme is Rural Employment Generation Program. It was launched in 1995, and the aim of the program is to create self-employment opportunities. Means in rural area or in small towns, youth will get self-employment. A target for creating 25 lakh new jobs. It was a target in 10th 5-year plan. Next is Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana. It was launched in 1993. The program aims at bringing the assisted poor families above the poverty line by organizing them into self-help groups. Self-help groups means they will join as a group and they will start some work. All will work in that institution which is set up by them, and the profit will be distributed. Bank will also provide credit to that self-help group at the name of the group, and all members will be responsible for paying back that credit. Next is Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana. It was launched in 2000 and it is central assistance given to states for basic services such as primary health, primary education, rural shelter, rural drinking water and rural electrification. So these were the programs which were launched by government in many states and providing help to eradicate poverty. Anantodaya Anna Yojana is an Indian government sponsored scheme for 10 million of poorest families. It is on the lookout for poorest of the poor by providing them 35 kg of rice and wheat at rupees 3 or rupees 2 per kg respectively. And in corona crisis also, that yojana was in providing help to poor and was supplying wheat or rice at free of cost. That is quotation of Nelson Mandela, that poverty is not an accident. Like slavery and apartheid, it is man-made and can be removed by actions of human being. So that is end of the chapter.